Here's the Nissan Qashqai. Now there are door sensors on all the four doors. I'm just going to show you on the left side doors. And let's start with the front door. That's the sensor right there. The only tool you need for this job is a T20, a Torx 20 screwdriver. That's what it looks like because we have to get that one bolt out. Let's get started and put the screwdriver in there and twist it left. Now before you start twisting left, make sure you're pushing down on the bolt before you start twisting left. That way you don't end up stripping that bolt head off. Let's get the bolt out and keep it somewhere safe. Do not lose it. Let's get the sensor out, and now we need to get the electrical connector off of the sensor. So push down right where I'm pushing and then pull the sensor off. If it doesn't come out, don't worry, just get the screwdriver and then use the screwdriver to push down the clip right there on the electrical connector and then slide the connector off. It may take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. And there you go, off it comes. Do not let go of the wire because if it goes right in the body, it's very hard to get it out. So hold on to the wire, just go ahead, get the new sensor and put it back onto the electrical connector. It only goes on in one way. Slide it on and click it to secure it. Now let's put the door sensor back in the body and let's put the bolt back on. And it's important that you tighten this bolt down properly because this bolt is what completes the electrical connection over there. Let's try this out. As I'm pressing and letting go of the sensor, it's indicating over there on the dash whether or not the door is closing and opening as it should. So that's good. Let's move on to the rear side sensor. Exact same process, same everything, no differences whatsoever. Again, you might have to use the screwdriver to get the electrical connector off of the sensor. Get the new sensor and put it back on, and again it only goes on in one way, so slide it on and click it. And let's just go ahead and put that bolt back on and secure it tightly. And let's try this out. And just like the front door, as in when I let go or press off the sensor, it indicates the door position on the dash as it should. And that's pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.